Starting an Etsy shop may seem daunting, especially with limited funds. However, you don't need to spend a fortune to get noticed. First, identify a niche you are passionate about and ensures demand in the market. This step is crucial and sets the foundation for your shop. The Etsy marketplace is vast, offering many opportunities to stand out, but only if you offer something unique that resonates with customers. Optimizing your listings is one of the most effective strategies to attract customers. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your products appear in search results when potential customers look for items similar to yours. High-quality photos are essential, but you don't need expensive equipment. Use natural light and free tools like Canva or GIMP to create professional-looking images. Leveraging social media is another cost-effective strategy. Share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and promotions to build excitement. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for showcasing visually appealing products. You don't have to invest heavily in ads. Instead, use engaging content to attract followers and potential buyers. Consistency is key, so establish a posting schedule that keeps your audience engaged. Sourcing materials affordably is vital when working on a tight budget. Explore garage sales, thrift stores, and wholesale suppliers for great deals. Upcycling or repurposing old materials can also result in unique, eco-friendly products that attract a specific customer base. Small investments in areas like branding and photography can significantly boost your shop's visibility and sales over time. Investing in your branding is pivotal for long-term success. Your logo, packaging, and overall aesthetic should reflect your shop's identity and appeal to your target audience. Even small changes can make a big difference. As you grow, consider upgrading your branding to maintain a professional and cohesive look. Patience and consistency will eventually pay off, turning your passion into a thriving Etsy business.